Hello, my name is Maria Cardenas, and I just won the Jack and Cooke Transfer Scholarship. It's very important for me since I'm a first-generation college student, and it's a path that I need to navigate. I'm the first one in my family doing it, so having the financial support that the foundation is going to give me is just unbelievable, as it would be able to fund my dreams and what I want to do with my life, and to be able to continue to serve others. From my mentors, my professors, and the friends that I've been along the way made me have the courage to pursue my dreams and not limit myself to my situations, which has been a journey, and to believe that dreams do come true. What I plan to do next is I want to get a bachelor's degree in health sciences and hopefully concentrate in public health. My ultimate goal will be to become a missionary dentist, to go to developing countries and improve their oral health. I want to combine my background knowledge in public health and health sciences and my expertise in dentistry to improve oral health.